Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Curious about how to stay on track and achieve your goals more efficiently? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to build a goal tracker from scratch right inside Notion, and we're going to use a professional-looking template to save time and get organized fast. By the end of this video, you'll have a completely personalized goal tracker that's ready to motivate you daily, whether you're working on big career plans, health habits, or just keeping up with life's little tasks. Let's get right into it. First, we're going to take advantage of one of Notion's free templates called the Goal Tracker Dashboard. Why use a template instead of starting from a blank page? Well, templates offer that polished, organized look, almost like stepping into a ready-made workspace, and they save you from hours of tweaking design so you can focus on what really matters. Your goals, plus you can always customize the template later on to fit your own style and needs. Opening up Notion, you'll see a little drop-down icon near the top left of your workspace. Go ahead and click it to reveal more options. This menu is like the control center for adding new pages and exploring tools. Now from here, select Browse Templates. Notion has dozens of templates for all kinds of projects, but today we're searching specifically for the Goal Tracker Dashboard. In the search bar, type in Goal Tracker Dashboard and let the results come up. You'll notice a few different options. Take a look at the layouts, some are more visual, some focus on lists. Pick the one that jumps out at you or matches what works best for your style. There's no wrong choice here, it's all about what will motivate you most. When you found one you like, just click Add. Notion will smoothly drop the template right into your workspace, and it might take a few seconds for everything to load, especially if the template is detailed. Now comes the magic part, personalizing your goal tracker. Inside the template, you'll see sections for different types of goals, maybe daily habits, weekly tasks, or big yearly milestones. You'll also find columns or fields for tracking progress, deadlines, and notes. Take your time here. Start by entering your own credentials. What are the goals you care about? For example, if you want to exercise 3 times a week, write that down. Or maybe you're saving for a vacation, prepping for exams, or building a new habit. The idea is to make these goals specific and clear. You can also add creative touches, like changing the cover image, choosing a color theme, or even adding inspiring emojis. These little customizations help make the tracker feel like yours and can be really motivating every time you open Notion. And the best part is you can always come back and tweak things. If you realize you want to track something differently, or if your priorities change, Notion lets you move sections around, rename things, and add new features on the fly. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. Think of this setup as a living workspace growing alongside your goals. So that's it. You've just built a professional-grade goal tracker in Notion, ready to supercharge your focus and keep you accountable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own goal tracking ideas, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and tips. I'm here to help you get organized and achieve more every week. Thanks for watching and good luck with your goals.